Hey there, today we'll be painting the Undead Outlaw from Reaper miniatures to the core level standard. First thing we want to do is get a scalpel or another sharp blade and trim the casting line off the model. Just take care and always cut away from yourself. So for the base coat stage, the first step is to give the model an all-over base coat of leather brown. I've used my airbrush for this, but you can just as easily do this by hand. Next step, we'll base coat his trousers using pure black. Now we'll take aged bone and base coat any of his bones that are showing through his clothing, like his exposed knee, his face and hands, and his ribs. Next, use blackened steel to base coat his belt buckle, his buttons and his revolver. Finally, we'll take leather brown and pure black in a sort of 90-10 mix and paint his boots. And with that done, we've finished the base coat stage. Next up, we're going to make a mix of pure black and leather brown again in a 75-25 ratio, and then we'll heavily dilute this with Reaper's Flow Improver. This product is available through our website, where you could just use water with a tiny amount of dish soap in it to break the surface tension. We'll wash this all over the model except for his cloak and his hat. You can see here it flows into the recesses and provides shadows and definition. And because all the model's colours are beige and brown, we can use the same wash for everything and it won't look strange. When it comes to his cloak, just paint a small amount into the holes and folds rather than washing it over the entire thing. And with the wash dry, the model is now done. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you like what you've seen here today, and we'll see you next time.